home. And you'll probably notice that the picture's not so great, is it? Right, so let's see if we can switch it round. Right, I'm actually off into Derbyshire today with my son, and we're going to climb the lovely picturesque area of Mamtor, and I'm going to actually be testing out the Osmo Action 3. Now, obviously, I've had the Osmo Action 1 for many years. I'm going to be completely happy with it, but I thought it would be about time I upgraded it. So what you're seeing now is it's straight out the box. So we're just on standard 1080p, 30 frames a second, and it's around about 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is the quality or how it reacts in a darkened environment. I mean, it is dark outside, I can't deny that. A bit of background noise as well, but yeah, so we're going to give the Action 3 a good sort of testing out today and see actually what it can do. Now, you know me, I always film on the Osmo Pocket 2, or the new one I've got, which is the 3. So I'm not used to not having that gimbal or that smooth movement. However, this has got rock steady, so I've got it on the standard rock steady, and we'll see how that how we sort of get on with that. So let's get on. I'm off up to Stoke-on-Trent first to collect my son, and then we're probably another hour to Mamtor, so we'll that should be good. So as I said, I lived in Stoke, and this is the estate that I lived on. And actually, my son still lives up here. But this part of Stoke is called Tunstall, and this is actually called Spitfire Way, which is really a nod to Reginald Mitchell, who was the man heavily involved in the invention of the Spitfire. Howdy doody, we are here. I've just picked Evan up. He's there, looking a bit moody. He doesn't like being. He might like being on camera. Anyway, yeah, I picked Evan up. It's been nice weather, pretty much. Dark, but nice weather all the way, pretty much to here. So now, I wouldn't say it's torrential rain, but we're definitely coming into sort of the Peak District now, and it's a little bit wet. Look, yeah, you can see the Ramshaw Rocks there over the left hand side. Oh yeah, you can't beat this on a sunny day. Wow. Well, Evan's choice of location has really paid off here, because it actually is really nice, isn't it? I mean, we've got the wind, we've got the rain, but actually, is this going to be the perfect test for this Osmo Action 3? I mean, it's waterproof. Anyway, we are here. We've just, as you can see, we're just here, and we have got loads of campers here already, and we're going to take a walk up Man Tor. And yeah, the weather's not on our side, but hey, what the hell, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So we're just heading down now towards the little roundabout at the bottom of this road, but there are some serious campers there. I mean, look at that one there, that's an overlander, that is. Look at that beauty. Okay, I swear I've seen that at one of the shows. Anyway, come on. So we're just coming down now to where the road ends, and you can see here, this is where the old road was, that's complete and utterly been reconfigured by the ground movement of it. But anyway, we are heading now. Look, I can see the path up there. Tell you what, Evan, I better be honest, mate, I think that was a good walk, wasn't it? I mean, you know, it was a struggle in that wind and the rain, but we did it. Well, we had to cut our trip short up to Man Tor because it was absolutely, it weren't great. Wind, high winds, rain. You know, we're not mad. I mean, we are mad, but we're not that mad. But anyway, we're going to head up to Derwent, but first of all, we're going to stop and see if the Ladybower Plughole is in action. Evan's just getting dressed again now, aren't you? Quite literally. He's literally got stripped off in the van, haven't you? Anyway, we've literally just got out of the car and we are just outside Ladybower Reservoir, and we're just going to go and see if the dam is overflowing yet. Well, I've always wanted to see the Plughole in action, and here we go. Look at that. That is awesome. I dropped on today, I tell you that much. So we're now heading down the bottom towards the where the water's coming out from the bottom of the dam. So we'll see what that looks like as we come down. Got a precarious path coming down here now. Literally at the bottom of the dam now. Well, the track to it, and just check on the feet. How's the feet? All right? All good. Yeah, all good. They're soaked right through, aren't they? Okie dokie, we're nearly there. This is where the magic happens here, guys. So let's go over and have a look. So here is where the water comes out, look. Look at that! Woohoo! So you can see here, this is the other side of the splitter. Hey, there you go. Hopefully we'll be better in luck and we'll see the other dam overflowing as well. That'll be a treat. Well, that was wet but pretty awesome really, so I'll let it down. My trousers are wet, my Evan's literally got stripped off yet again, even though in 2 minutes time he's going to have to get dressed again, but it was alright. So now we're going to head off to Derwent now, which is just up the road here, and have a look if that dam's overflowing. Hello, and we are at Derwent Reservoir now. Now you remember last time I came and dam number 1 was not overflowing. Well, I can absolutely tell you today categorically that this time it is overflowing, and we're going to go and have an up close and personal look at it. I'm just debating whether I got going the right way. Where's that say? Derwent Dam, this way, yes, Derwent Dam is this way. Now I was just sort of debating. There ain't many things that excite me, and a dam overflowing is probably one of them. Evan's kind of looking a little bit like, it's just a dam, Steve. It's just a damn dam. Anyway, Governor. Anyway, Governor. So this is Evan, by the way. You might see him now and again in the videos. He hides under the hood. But actually, if you look over now, you can actually see the dam. Look at that. Now it's not just overflowing, it's aggressively overflowing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, check out the weather. So here we are, Derwent Lake Reservoir, and the reservoir, the dam is in full action today, and we're going to stand a few meters away from it and feel that spray. So if you're watching this now, you're likely to see the water on the screen, so don't get complaining in the comments section. Guys, wow, so how wet are you? I'm absolutely, the back of my trousers, I must have took the full brunt of that spraying water. Anyway, this is the tranquility of the top of Derwent Lake, and you can see, can't really see all of that aggression as it tips over the crest of the dam. But anyway, there's another one. We're going to head up to a Howden Dam now. 10-15 minutes walk from here, and we're going to see what that's all about, see what that's looking like. Well, we've got Howden Dam in the distance. Now, a couple of things I want to mention about this camera. Now, what I really like is the flip screen. So even though I'm using the camera this way on me, I can easily, when I touch the touch screen, I flip it up and then it flips the camera view back around to whichever direction you are. So doing shots like this and making sure you're in frame was really important. And on a day like today, I don't know what the wind quality's like. It's probably really bad today on this, but this is a completely out of the box review of the Action 3. So what is great about it, even though this weather is damn right awful, yeah, I am going to worry about it because the Osmo Action 3 is complete and utterly waterproof, so that's good. Here we are, Howden Dam. Just ridiculous. Absolute wind, rain, one more freaking one. Woohoo! That is This is what I do for this channel, you know. Hey, this is what it's about.